Asus Rog Ally, the best handheld gaming console on the market. You should certainly know everything about this console before purchase it. The Asus Rog Ally is the first handheld gaming PC from the well-known Taiwanese electronics company Asus. As a potential rival to Valve's Steam Deck, the Rog Ally comes with impressive features and specs to satisfy the needs of gamers on the go. In this review, we will dive into the details of the device, exploring its pros and cons, features, and comparisons to other handheld gaming PCs on the market. The Asus Rog Ally sports a sleek design with ergonomic handles and a special triangular profile on the back, ensuring a secure grip and comfortable hold for extended gaming sessions. Weighing 608 grams, it is 61 grams lighter than the Steam Deck, making it more comfortable for long playtimes. The device features a 7-inch 1080p HD IPS touchscreen panel, with 500 nits brightness, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The addition of adaptive sync technology ensures smooth gaming experiences and prevents screen tearing. The native landscape panel is a welcome feature, as it avoids compatibility issues with older game APIs. Powered by a custom AMD Ryzen Z1 chip, the Rog Ally offers impressive performance for a handheld device. The chip comes in two versions, the standard AMD Ryzen Z1 with 6 CPU cores and 12 threads, and the more powerful Extreme version, with 8 CPU cores and 16 threads. The device's performance is set to be around 55% greater than the Steam Deck, making it an attractive option for gamers who prioritize performance. The Rog Ally runs on Windows 11, providing native support for a wide range of PC titles and game libraries, including Steam, EA, Battle.net, Epic, and more. The device also supports various cloud streaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming via Game Pass. The seamless integration with Windows 11 enables a versatile gaming experience, with support for both the device's joysticks and buttons, as well as touchscreen input. When compared to Valve's Steam Deck, the Asus Rog Ally offers higher performance, a more ergonomic design, and a better display with adaptive sync. However, the Steam Deck may continue to hold its position as a more affordable option, with prices starting at $399. It will be interesting to see if Valve adjusts its pricing strategy in response to the Rog Ally's launch. The Asus Rog Ally is a promising entry in the handheld gaming PC market, with its powerful hardware, versatile Windows 11 support, and high-quality display. The device appears to be a strong contender against the Steam Deck. For gamers who prioritize performance and compatibility, the Rog Ally may be an ideal choice, provided that the pricing remains competitive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.